Hey guys, we received this Forevermore Portfolio Store Padfolio binder for test and try. So this is a professional fox leather travel organizer, slim case, and you can see it comes in a really premium pack gift box. So it's good for gifting it to someone, and it have a premium packaging itself. So let me just open the box. So inside also it's a really nice packing. So let me just take it out. So this is a really good gift if you want to give it to someone for organizing the stuff while on travel or in office or school. And you can see it's have a very nice logo on the back, and the stitching and everything looks premium from the sides and everything. And then the feel is also very nice with this fox leather. It's a soft and premium feel. So there's a back pocket. You can put your quick access document or any other small electronics and things here. And then there's a zippered main zipper cabinet thing here. So you can just unzip and see. So this have a trim like the notepad thing here. So you can also replace this notepad once it's full. And there's a side pocket and for the pen holders, and also a clear window for your ID and small like things to store some small stuff with a additional zipper thing. And there's also a zipper thing here to store in your small electronics like your mobile or small tablet or stuff. So is also have this back one for your electronics thing, a partition thing that you can use to store in the stuff here. So it's a nice pocket style, slim style here, and then you can just store in your stuff in, and then have a big pocket on the back. So basically a very nice pet folio, and you can just carry it anywhere you want with all your essential documents, cards, and stuff. And then it's very helpful to take in all these things. So after the zipping, there's no problem like things will be falling out. So yeah, looks really nice in the hand and very nice pet folio.